If you are seeking a very simple and yet effective method to attract financial abundance and prosperity into your home, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to be showing you a fascinating spiritual practice that a lot of the people are not aware of, and those who know are not really doing it the proper way. I'm going to be taking you on a spiritual journey, how to use a very simple but yet very effective recipe to attract financial abundance and prosperity. If you can watch this video from the beginning to the end and implement what I'm going to be showing you, then money will never leave you, will never leave your home. You will never lack. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel, Smart Idea TV, where we talk money, spirituality, and we give simple lives hack. I'm going to be showing you the wonderful spiritual uses of Aidan Fruit. Aidan Fruit, some people know it, but I'm going to be showing you in a little while this fruit, what this fruit is, and how it can aid financial abundance and prosperity. The money will come to you in droves, and you will never lack money in your house. If you can do this and incorporate it into your spiritual routine, then you don't have business with poverty. You don't have business with lack of money. You don't have business with want. Then you don't have business complaining of lack of money and favor. You will see favor. A lot of people will help you, and money will come to you in droves. You see it from right, from left. Everywhere you will be blessed if you can just do this simple recipe using Aidan Fruit. Now, what is Aidan Fruit? Aidan Fruit is a fruit gotten from a plant. It's a fruit, a kind of fruit. But because so many people are not aware of this fruit, but you have it everywhere. You can get this fruit online. After showing you, or you can even Google it, Aidan Fruit. It is Aidan Fruit. I'm going to be writing the name for you so that you can do your own research. It is used in different ways. You can use it medicinally, or use it in cooking a special type of food, not just any food. But most importantly, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use it spiritually. And spiritual uses I'm going to be showing you is to attract financial prosperity, abundance, and money, favor, good luck. It will open doors of favor for you. It will open doors of abundance. You will never lack. That's what we are going to be talking about. And I'm going to be showing you two ways by which you can use it. Two simple ways by which you can use it. Now, this fruit is darkish brown in color, and it has edges, 4 edges. But it has a very strong aroma. The aroma is so strong, and because of this strong aroma, it has the strong aroma in it makes it to be very effective in warding off evil spirit and any form of negativity. You know, if evil spirits are troubling you, or witches and wizards, they are troubling you, there is no way you want to grow. You cannot grow. So this fruit has a very strong property that emits a very strong aroma that evil spirit runs away from. It sends evil spirits away, and which is wizard, it sends them away. And any form of negativity in your surrounding, it sends it away. You can use it in your home. You can also use it in your office if you have a personal office, or in your store if you have your own store. You can use this to send evil spirit away and any form of negativity. And you know that in spirituality, when negativity goes, then positivity will come. A lot of people, most of the complaints that you hear about lack of money, lack of favor, lack of abundance, lack of prosperity is due to negative energy. If you can do it, negative energy and negative forces or evil forces, then positivity will come. Anything that you do you have breakthrough, you'll be successful. Money will come. You have financial prosperity and abundance. Money will never leave your hand. So that is why this fruit is very good in attracting money, because this property that emits the odor is very strong and it sends away negativity. Very close to this fruit is cloves. Cloves is also very close to it, but the odor of this one is more powerful than cloves. You know, in cloves has a property called eugenol. Eugenol emits some aroma that words of negativity, but the aroma in this Aidan fruit is more powerful than the one in cloves. And you know, cloves is used in cleansing your environment. It was of negative energy. So this one is more powerful than cloves. If you know this one, then you don't have business using cloves again, because this is more powerful than cloves. Is more way more powerful than cloves. And because of this power, it is something that no one should joke with. But unfortunately, it is a secret. A lot of people are not talking about this. But I'm going to be giving you this, everything. I'm not going to hold anything back. And that is what we use in spirituality. Is what we do. We deal with this in spirituality. And it's one of the secrets. But I'm giving it to you free, because you are my valued subscriber. And if you succeed, I succeed. That's why I used to say, we can succeed together. So, enough of the story. This is the fruit. This is the fruit. You can see it has edges. You can see the edges. You can see the edges. It's darkish brown, and this is the way it's looking. You can see it's a fruit. This is the way it's looking. This is the way it's looking. And it can stay in your house for a very long time if you are not using it. Just put it somewhere, because it's dry already. It can be there. It's matured, ripe, and dry. So that's the way it is. That's the fruit, Aidan fruit. Now, I told you I'm going to be giving you 2 ways to use it. The first way I'm going to be giving you is you can just get this fruit and cut it into pieces. Just break it into pieces and use it as incense in your home. Just get an incense burner with charcoal and just use this as an incense. The fragrance, the aroma, that very strong aroma will come out easily, and sending away all the evil spirits and dark witches and wizards around you. It will send them away. All the negativity in your environment, it will send them away. And you know, when negativity goes, positivity will come, goodness will come. If you use it in the night, the kind of sleep you have that day will be very sweet, and you dream of good things. You dream of good things. I'm going to be linking a video here that I specifically teach you how to burn this particular fruit, Aidan fruit. I've done a video, so I won't be going into details how you are going to be using it. That video, I will link it up for you. Then, the second way by which you can use it is also to see this fruit and cut it. One like this is okay. One like this is okay. You can buy so many, and it's not expensive. You can buy. I can see I have this already. So just cut it into 2. Cut it into smaller, and put it, and get a pot, a cooking pot, very clean pot. Put clean water and just boil this. Boil it for like 20, 25 or 30 minutes. Let it boil very well. While boiling it, the aroma will be coming. You perceive it. You perceive it. So once you finish boiling it, put it down. Put it down. Then strain it. You can get the water somewhere. Get the water that you boiled. Put it somewhere. Then let it cool a bit. Then add honey. You are going to be adding honey into it. You are not going to be drinking it. You are not going to be drinking this particular recipe. You are not going to be drinking it. You are going to be bathing with it. You are going to be bathing with it. So after boiling it, put honey, then mix it with your bathing water. Once you mix it with your bathing water, then you have to charge it. You charge it. That means you pray your intentions into it, and you affirm. You affirm it. Pray your intentions. You want every form of negativity to get away from you. Any dark spirit, any evil forces disturbing your life, they should get away. Then you want prosperity, abundance to come. You also pray that you want abundance to come. You want good things to come, money to come to your house, to flow to your house, favor to locate you, abundance to locate you. You have to pray into it. That means you are charging it. Then you go ahead to use it to bathe. And how do you use it to bathe? It is very simple. You might not be bathing it directly. First, take your bath, the normal bath. If you can use soap, use soap. Then just take this one and use it to just clean your body. So whenever you are using this, you are not using sponge, but you can use sponge earlier. Then you now use this to finish the bathing. You bathe it without sponge and soap. You cannot bathe this one with soap. Don't bait it with soap and sponge. If you want to bait soap and sponge, you must have done that earlier. Then you now use it to just clean your body to bait without anything. But I would suggest that you make it the last thing before going to bed. Make it the last thing before going to bed. That way is more effective. And after bathing, allow your body to dry naturally. Allow your body to dry naturally. Don't use towel to mop the water from your body. Just allow it to dry naturally. And once you are able to do this, then if you can do it continuously, frequently, any form of negativity troubling you will get away from you, and it will get away from your family. The good thing is you can do it. Your family, the whole entire family can do it. Just teach them how to do it, or you can even prepare it for them. Let them do it. Let them do it. Everybody can do it in a particular house. Then, as a bonus, you can also do it with the honey. Then use it to sprinkle your surroundings. Just sprinkle the water in your surrounding. If you have a store, sprinkle it in your store. Or you can use it to clean the old store or office or building. Just use it, sprinkle it. That's a bonus for you. But it's very effective when you use it in those ways I've outlined. You can use it as incense. You can use it to take your bath. Then you can use it to wet your home, your shop, your office, your store, your office. And if you can do it, I bet you are going to be very, very successful. Financial abundance will come. Prosperity will come. Favor will locate you. And you will never complain of lack of money. Money will never be a problem because money will be coming to you from different quarters. This is very effective. But it is very simple, but very, very effective. If you enjoy this video, do well to like this video. Share it to your contacts. Then subscribe if you have not done so. If you enjoy this one, I'm going to be linking a playlist for you where you learn different methods to clean. I'm going to be linking that here for you. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent. And don't forget, we can succeed together.